try is something a little simple that will probably taste good that he's been wanting to try. Just a Nutella cracker.
Just tell the audience.
The audience, dude, it's just me and you who's gonna be watching this. All right.
Okay. This, my friends, is called
Yeah, yours, friends.
chocolate crackle.
Nah, chocolate cracker. All right. They probably got like a real treat called that. Not called
Dude.
that, but you know, is that
Oh my fuck, this is amazing.
amazing?
Don't know why I didn't try this for a while.
It's dude, it's pretty much bread. Like,
Okay. The video is done.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
All right. Now let's talk about something really personal. I paused the video, or I stopped it.
Okay.
All right, what's something really personal, Jordan? Come on.
I had sex with your mom last night.
Damn. You know it's still recording.